Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use left function in your Google Sheet. I have three different examples here. One is mail ID and another one is a mobile number with country code, and then I have a date. Let's say I want to extract separate things altogether from these examples. We can do it. Firstly, I want to extract only the portion which is before .com. So first I will check what is the length of this text. So it has a 17 characters length. So I'm going to write the formula based on this. So left, and then I only want before .com. So I'm going to remove those four characters. So I'm going to select, then I'm going to write only 13. So as you can see, I needed only 13 characters, which I did a subtraction from 17 characters. So I did not want 4, so I did minus 4. So now I got my domain name here. Now let's go to next example. Left, select the cell. Now here I want only left 3 characters, which is country code, because I'm extracting let's say you have a big huge dump where there are multiple numbers, multiple country numbers are there, and you just want to extract the country code from the specific list. So you can do it. So I'm going to add 4 here because there are 4 characters. As you can see, I have extracted only the country code by using left formula. Then we'll go to the last example here, which has a date in which we have a specific date, and then we have a month, and then year. So we only want month to be extracted. So right, left, select the cell, then I'll write 1 because I just want month to be extracted. Hit enter. So 3 is extracted. So this is how you can use left function and extract the data from your dump. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.